here क्या पूछा है, diagnosis पूछा है. And literally for most of these questions, if you guys has just read the last line and last 2 lines, बहुत time save होता है, right? So diagnosis पूछा है and last line says C1 inhibitor level is less than 6% of reference value, which is basically low, right? So C1 inhibitor points towards hereditary angioedema. Okay, so now look at this. Okay, so C1 esterase inhibitor is basically something that will inhibit the conversion of C1 to activated C1. ठीक है, बराबर. So if C1 esterase is deficient, मतलब if C1 esterase inhibitor is deficient, which means C1 का conversion to activated C1 is not inhibited. इसका मतलब there will be increase in activated complement factor 1, right? So basically complement cascade will be activated because inhibitor के levels कम है, ठीक है. So that will basically lead to angioedema. The complement cascade into vasodilation, right? Histamine was released. Okay. Also, one important thing for the exam is that besides C1 esterase inhibitor का function, besides inhibiting C1 is also inhibiting the conversion of kallikrein to bradykinin. Okay. मतलब bottom line, if C1 esterase inhibitor is deficient, right, bradykinin production will increase. Okay, as you can see from this diagram. And bradykinin, as if you remember from farm, right, bradykinin is converted to inactive products by ACE, that is angiotensin converting enzyme, remember. So remember, if you give ACE inhibitors, then bradykinin levels increase, that leads to cough, barabar. So if you give ACE inhibitors in these patients, okay, like जिनमें already C1 esterase के levels कम हैं, if you give ACE inhibitors, this ये step will be inhibited, right? इसका मतलब bradykinin levels will increase, and bradykinin also leads to angioedema and excess levels. So ACE inhibitors are contraindicated in these patients. Okay. So if say you'll get a question sometimes कि कि उसको angioedema का history है, hereditary angioedema, and the patient is coming with hypertension or heart failure. So what कौन सा drug दोगे तुम? And इसमें ACE का option रहेगा. So remember that it is contraindicated. Okay. Also, they'll try to confuse you with type 1 hypersensitivity reactions, right? They'll say कि ऐसा है, edema है, like same patient. Options में, in these options, they'll also give type 1 hypersensitivity reaction or कौन सा भी hypersensitivity reaction. So the way you will differentiate this from type 1 HSR is by the presence of urticaria. Okay, urticaria is caused by histamine ka release, which is like the main mediator in case of type 1 HSR, remember. So just remember that urticaria will not be seen here, because if you can see in this diagram, angioedema is caused by complement and bradykinin, and there is no, say, histamine is not involved here, so there is no itching. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, now let's look at other options. What do other options say? Okay. George syndrome. I don't even know what to say. I mean, it's so obvious that it's hereditary angioedema. Okay. Let's see, George syndrome क्यों नहीं है? Yeah, catch 22 का mnemonic. So none of the symptoms are present. So it's not the George, right? There's no cardiac abnormalities, a normal facies, thymic aplasia, hypocalcemia. Yeah. Prescott arteries भी नहीं है because eczema, thrombocytopenia, वो भी नहीं है. This was also really, you could rule out all the options really easily. None of the options even came close. I think they should have given HSR, type 1 HSR as an option. That would have made the question more interesting. Okay. PNH is also not there because if you remember, PNH में the patient will complain of dark colored urine in the morning, especially in the morning. Okay, wakes up to find dark colored urine, but बाद में urine is normal का color. ठीक है.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.